Hello, mathematics learner. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to solve integrals of the form integral of cosine ax dx and related expressions. We already know the fundamental integral. The integral of cosine x dx equals sin ax plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Now, let's explore how we can solve integrals like the integral of cosine of 2x dx, the integral of cosine of 3x dx, the integral of cosine of negative 4x dx, the integral of cosine of 2x plus 3 dx, and the integral of cosine of 7x plus 1 dx, and the integral of cosine of 10 minus 3x dx. Now, let's start form solving integral cos ax dx. To solve this integral, we use change of variables method. First, let u equals ax. This simplifies the argument of the cosine function. Then, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Do over dx equals the derivative of x with respect to x. Do over dx equals a. We can write do equals a dx, or dx equals 1 over a du. Substitute x and dx into the original integral. The integral cos ax ddx becomes integral cos u times 1 over a do integrate with respect to u. We know integral cos u du equals sin u plus c, and then substitute back u equals ax, 1 over a sin of ax plus c. Thus, the general formula is the integral of cosine of ax dx equals 1 over a sine of ax plus c. Applying the formula to specific examples. Let's use this formula to solve the integrals you mentioned. Integral of cos of 2x dx. Here, a equals 2, then integral of cos of 2x dx equals 1/2 sin of 2x plus c. Integral of cos of 3x dx here. A equals 3, then integral of cos of 3x dx equals 1 over 3 sin of 3x plus c. Integral of cos negative 4x dx equals 1 over negative 4 sin negative 4x plus c. Now let's start to learn about integral of cos x plus c dx to solve this integral by substitution method. We can let u equals ax plus b, then du divide by dx equals open parenthesis, ax plus b, close parenthesis, prime, and we get du by dx equals a, or dx equals 1 add u. So, integral become to integral of cosu. 1 add u equals 1a, integral of cosu du, integral respect to u. We get 1a sin u plus c, then change u to x, and we get 1a sin x plus c. So, we get integral of cos x plus c, ex equals 1 over a sin x plus b plus c. Now, start practice to use integral of formulas to solve. Integral of cos 2x plus 3 dx. Here, a equals 2, so the integral equals 1/2 sin 2x plus 3 plus c. Integral of cos 7x plus 1 dx. Here, a equals 7, so the integral equals 1/7 sin 7x plus 1 plus c. Integral of cos 10 minus 3x dx. Here, a equals negative 3. So, the answer is negative 1 divided by 3 sin 10 minus 3x plus c, where c is the constant. All right, everyone. Before we wrap things up for today, I want to take a moment to talk about the work we've done and then quickly go over the solutions to those practice problems I gave you. Here's your homework. Work through these, and then don't forget to comment your answers below. I'll be looking forward to seeing how you did. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more math lessons. Thanks for watching.